Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to play MP4 files in Google Drive. Have you ever found yourself wanting to watch a video someone sent you, or perhaps enjoy your own media files without the hassle of downloading them? Google Drive offers a fantastic solution by allowing you to play MP4 files directly from the cloud. This means you can have easy access to your videos anytime, anywhere. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how simple this process is. So let's dive right in. To begin with, the first thing you need to do is access your Google Drive account. You can start by opening up your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that is associated with the files you are eager to view. This step is crucial because logging into the wrong account might lead you to an entirely different set of files. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard of Google Drive, you'll notice this area serves as your digital workspace. It's here where all your stored files live. The next step is to locate the MP4 file you wish to watch. You can do this in a couple of ways. You might want to browse through your Drive folders manually if you have an organized system, or you could use the search bar located at the top of the page. The search function is especially useful if you have a large number of files stored in Drive. It can quickly help you pinpoint the exact file you're looking for, saving you a lot of time and effort. Now, once you've found the MP4 file, it's time to take action. Simply double-click on the file. This will open a preview window within your browser itself. One of the great things about Google Drive is that it allows you to preview various file types without needing to download them or open them in separate applications. This feature streamlines the whole process significantly, making it much more convenient and efficient for you to access your content on the go. When the preview window opens, you'll see familiar playback controls similar to those you'd find in any standard video player. Just hit the play button, and you're all set to enjoy your MP4 file directly from this interface. The seamless experience is one of the many benefits of using Google Drive. Additionally, Google Drive supports a wide range of video formats, which means you won't have to worry about converting files beforehand. However, if you notice that your video isn't playing smoothly or if you encounter any glitches, the issue might be related to your internet connection. Streaming videos directly from Google Drive requires a stable internet connection to ensure uninterrupted playback. Therefore, if you're experiencing any difficulties, it's a good idea to check your internet connection first. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to view your MP4 files directly from Google Drive without the need for downloads or external software. This not only makes accessing your media faster and more intuitive, but also helps keep everything organized in one place. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to play MP4 files in Google Drive quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.